Everyone talks about starting an online business, but the reality hits. You need to choose a niche, find product, design a website, write product description, build a landing page, and optimize everything for conversations. And for the most beginners, that's where they quit. Today, I want to try something different. Instead of spending hours building a Shopify store myself, I'm going to let AI do almost all of the work and see if we can go from absolutely nothing to a professional looking online store that's ready to launch. Let's see what's happened. A few weeks ago, I was talking with Leo, the founder of Build Your Store AI, about how much time people spend creating their first online store. He showed me how their AI can generate the entire Shopify store with a professional design and ready to sell products. So I want to see how well this actually works. The idea is pretty simple. Instead of opening Shopify and starting with a completely blank store, the AI builds the foundation for you and then you customize it however you want. So let's build one from scratch. The first step is signing up for Build Your Store AI. The setup is surprisingly simple. Instead of answering dozens of complicated questions, I just choose the niche I want my store to focus on. For this demo, I'm going with tech and gadgets. Next, I choose the homepage design I want for the store. Before Build Your Store creates everything, it guides me through connecting Shopify. The process is pretty straightforward, and once my Shopify store is connected, I can continue with the setup. Once that's done, Build Your Store starts creating the store. It's putting together the homepage, collections, product pages, and the overall structure of the Shopify store automatically. Within just a few minutes, I already have something that looks like a real online business instead of an empty template. Now let's take a look at the finished store. The homepage already looks clean and professional. The navigation is organized, the products are grouped into collections, and each product already includes images and descriptions. It doesn't feel like a rough draft. It actually looks like a store that's almost ready for customers. Of course, you're not locked into anything. You can change your branding, replace products, customize the colors, rewrite product descriptions, or redesign the homepage completely. The AI simply removes the hardest part, which is starting from zero. Now that the store is ready, the next step is connecting Shopify. Build Your Store guides you through the setup process, so it's easy even if you've never built a Shopify store before. After that, we connect AutoDS. This is where the workflow becomes even more powerful. Instead of manually searching for products and processing every order yourself, AutoDS helps automate product sourcing and fulfillment. You can browse products, import them directly into your store, and when customers place orders, much of the fulfillment process can be automated. That removes another huge amount of manual work and lets you spend more time focusing on growing the business. After seeing the entire workflow, I think I understand exactly who this platform is built for. If you've already built dozens of Shopify stores, you probably enjoy designing everything yourself. But if you're completely new to e-commerce, the hardest part isn't running a business, it's simply knowing where to begin. Build Your Store removes that barrier. Instead of spending days watching tutorials just to create your first homepage, you start with a complete store that's already been built for you, then improve it as you learn. If this were my own store, I definitely wouldn't stop here. I'd customize the branding, replace some products, write stronger product descriptions, create short videos for social media, and start driving traffic through YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even paid ads. Because at the end of the day, AI can build your store, but it's still your job to build the business. The better your marketing, the better your chances of getting customers. After testing Build Your Store AI, I don't think it's trying to replace entrepreneurs. It's trying to remove the biggest obstacle that stops most people from ever getting started. Instead of spending days building a Shopify store from scratch, you begin with a professionally designed foundation and spend your time improving it, marketing it, and growing the business. If you've been thinking about starting an online store but didn't know where to begin, I think this is one of the fastest ways to get your first Shopify store online. If you'd like to try Build Your Store AI for yourself, I've left my link in the description below. You can generate your own AI-built Shopify store, follow the same workflow I showed in this video, and customize it however you like. Let me know in the comments what niche you would build your first store around. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.